Are you planning to sell your home and want to make a great impression on potential buyers during viewings or open houses? Here are some essential tips to make your home shine. First, declutter and depersonalize. Remove personal items and excess clutter to create a clean, spacious environment. Next, focus on curb appeal. Make a great first impression by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, and adding colorful plants or flowers. Inside, prioritize cleanliness. Clean every room, paying attention to the floors, windows, and surfaces. Eliminate odors. Open windows for fresh air and consider adding a pleasant scent with candles or fresh flowers. Or create cozy and inviting seating areas that highlight the best features of each room. Use neutral colors and remove personal photos or items that could distract potential buyers. And let the natural light in and add lamps or strategic lighting to create a warm and welcoming ambience. Use fresh neutral linens, fluffy towels, and stylish decor. Fresh flowers or greenery can add a touch of life and vibrancy. If you have any questions, reach out, text me, email me, call me, whatever is best.